step back in time to the ancient land of Egypt, where towering pyramids rise up from the desert sands, shrouded in mystery and wonder. The Egyptian pyramids stand as a testament to the incredible engineering and architectural feats of the ancient world, captivating the imagination and sparking endless debate about their purpose and construction. The Egyptian pyramids are monumental structures built during the Old Kingdom period of ancient Egypt, around 4,500 years ago. The pyramids were constructed from large stone blocks, and each pyramid consisted of a complex network of corridors, chambers, and burial chambers, designed to protect the pharaoh's body and possessions in the afterlife. The pyramids are some of the most iconic and recognizable structures in the world and continue to fascinate people with their incredible engineering, architecture, and cultural significance. The Egyptian pyramids were built for various reasons, but primarily they served as monumental tombs for pharaohs and their consorts. The ancient Egyptians believed that their pharaohs were not just political leaders, but also divine beings who needed to be properly honored and preserved after death. The pyramids were designed to protect the pharaoh's body and worldly possessions in the afterlife and to provide a place for the pharaoh's soul to reside. The construction of pyramids also served a political purpose. The pharaohs wanted to show their power and wealth by constructing massive and impressive monuments that would be remembered for centuries. The construction of pyramids was also a way to provide employment for a large number of people, as the construction process required a significant amount of labor. The construction of the Egyptian pyramids involved several stages and required a tremendous amount of planning, organization, and resources. Here are the general steps involved in building a pyramid. Firstly, the pyramid's location was selected and leveled to create a solid foundation for the structure. Next, the massive limestone and granite blocks were quarried from nearby sites using copper tools and transported to the construction site using sleds, rollers, and ramps. Once the blocks were transported to the site, they were shaped and cut to fit precisely into the pyramid's design. The blocks were then lifted and placed into position using ramps and pulleys, with the bottom layers of blocks being the largest and heaviest. As the pyramid structure rose, internal chambers and passages were built to house the pharaoh's mummified body, as well as other offerings and treasures. Lastly, once the pyramid structure was complete, it was covered with a layer of fine white limestone that was polished to create a smooth, gleaming surface. The pyramid was also adorned with various decorative elements, such as inscriptions, reliefs, and sculptures. The Egyptian pyramids were built by skilled workers and laborers who were organized and overseen by a team of architects, engineers, and officials. These workers were not slaves, as was once commonly believed, but rather skilled craftsmen and laborers who were paid for their work and were often given special privileges and honors by the pharaoh. The workers who built the pyramids lived in nearby villages and were brought to the construction site for several months at a time, where they lived in special housing and were provided with food and medical care. The architects and engineers who oversaw the construction of the pyramids were highly skilled and knowledgeable and used advanced mathematical and engineering techniques to design and build these monumental structures. The identity of the workers who built the pyramids is not known with certainty, as they did not leave behind any written records or inscriptions. However, it is believed that they were primarily Egyptian, and may have also included workers from other regions of the ancient Near East. The Egyptian pyramids are not only impressive in their size and construction, but they also have interesting scientific and mathematical facts associated with them. Here are a few examples. Astronomical alignment. The ancient Egyptians were skilled astronomers, and they used their knowledge to align the pyramids with the stars. The alignment of the pyramids is based on precise astronomical calculations, with the entrance to the Great Pyramid of Giza facing precisely north. This level of accuracy would have required a thorough understanding of astronomy and mathematics. The alignment of the pyramids was accomplished using two methods. First, they used the alignment of the stars to the North Pole to orient the pyramids. Second, they used the position of the sun at the solstice to create a perfect east-west line, which helped to align the pyramids with the four cardinal directions. Precision in construction. The pyramids were constructed with incredible precision, with the Great Pyramid of Giza being one of the most precisely aligned structures in the world. It has been estimated that the north-south axis of the pyramid is aligned to within 0.05 degrees of true north, an incredible level of precision given the tools available at the time. The blocks of limestone used in the construction of the pyramids were cut with such precision that the gaps between them are less than a millimeter wide. The blocks were also cut to a uniform size, with each block weighing several tons. Mathematical principles in design. The design of the pyramids is based on mathematical principles, with the angles of the sides and the height of the structure all calculated to achieve specific proportions. For example, the Great Pyramid of Giza has a height that is approximately 1/3 of the perimeter of its base. This proportion creates a visually pleasing design and is an example of the golden ratio, a mathematical concept that appears frequently in nature and is considered aesthetically pleasing. The four faces of the pyramid are slightly concave, giving the structure an eight-sided appearance. This effect is created by the angles of the sides, which are precisely calculated to achieve this effect. Acoustic properties. The internal chambers of the pyramids have unique acoustic properties. The limestone used to construct the pyramids is highly resonant, and it is believed that the chambers were designed to enhance the sound of the pharaoh's voice during rituals. When someone speaks inside the king's chamber in the Great Pyramid, the sound reverberates off the walls and creates an echo that lasts for several seconds. The acoustics inside the chamber are so precise that it is possible to hear a whisper from one end of the chamber to the other. The pyramids of Egypt are undoubtedly some of the most iconic and fascinating structures in human history. Constructed over a period of several centuries, these massive tombs are a testament to the advanced engineering and organizational skills of the ancient Egyptians. While the true purpose and construction methods of the pyramids have long been the subject of debate and speculation, here are some of the most talked about theories that have been proposed by philosophers and scientists that range from plausible to bizarre but still interesting. The first theory suggests that the pyramids were built to align with astronomical events, particularly with the constellation of Orion. Proponents of this theory argue that the pyramids were designed to mirror the stars in the Orion constellation, with the placement of the pyramids on the Giza plateau corresponding to the relative position of the stars. The alignment theory is supported by the fact that the shafts within the Great Pyramid point towards certain stars in the constellation of Orion. Another theory is that the pyramids were giant water pumps. According to this theory, the pyramids were designed to lift water from the Nile River and transport it to other areas of Egypt. Proponents of this theory point to the fact that the pyramids are located near the Nile River and that they contain a series of shafts and chambers that could have been used for water transportation. Moving on to the more fascinating theories, this theory suggests that the pyramids were built by a secret society that had access to advanced technology and knowledge that was far ahead of its time. According to this theory, the pyramids were designed to serve as a sort of power center for this secret society, allowing them to control the ancient Egyptian civilization from behind the scenes. Some proponents of this theory even claim that the secret society still exists today and is responsible for many of the world's major events and political decisions. While these theories are certainly fascinating, they are not supported by any scientific evidence or mainstream scholarly consensus. Nevertheless, they provide a glimpse into the enduring mystery and allure of the ancient pyramids and the many strange and outlandish theories that have been proposed to explain their construction and purpose. Another out-of-this-world theory suggests that the pyramids were built with the help of extraterrestrial beings who visited ancient Egypt and provided the necessary technology and knowledge to construct such massive structures. Supporters of this theory point to the pyramids' advanced mathematical and astronomical knowledge, as well as the precision of their construction, as evidence that they were beyond the capabilities of ancient humans. Finally, some researchers believe that the pyramids were built with the help of divine beings who visited ancient Egypt and provided the necessary knowledge and guidance to construct such massive structures. According to this theory, the pharaohs were viewed as living gods, and their tombs were built as a way to facilitate their ascension to the afterlife. Proponents of this theory point to the elaborate religious rituals and beliefs of the ancient Egyptians as evidence that they possessed a deep spiritual connection to the divine. In conclusion, the Egyptian pyramids remain one of the most captivating and mysterious wonders of the ancient world. For thousands of years, they have stood as a testament to the ingenuity, skill, and dedication of the ancient Egyptians, inspiring countless generations with their mystery and wonder. From their sheer size and scale to their intricate design and remarkable durability, the pyramids continue to fascinate people from all walks of life. And while many theories have been put forward to explain their purpose and construction, the true secrets of the pyramids remain locked away in the sands of time. As we continue to study and explore these amazing structures, we can only hope to unravel more of their secrets and uncover the true extent of their significance in human history.